that we have a very vibrant school culture going on. As someone who is in council, we really do aim and work toward building even stronger school spirit. I would say that TM Celeb is one of my favorite events because of just how significant this event is. We had like carnival games, like those big bouncy castles things. Yeah, that was very nice. Yeah.
I think I enjoyed TM Run the most because it really pushes ourselves out of our comfort zone, and I think it really displayed our house spirit because we have cheering competitions, and even those who are not cheerleaders, we can even cheer along. So yeah.
I know you will say.
Our school is not just about academic, because I think our students have a very active social life as well. So we've got a lot of different programs running. So as teachers, we're very happy to carry out these programs that enrich our students beyond their academics. One thing we can say is that TMJC is never boring.